Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: account, key, and docs. First, add the API key to an environment variable and restrict its scope. Next, pick the SDK if it exists, otherwise use plain HTTP. Once done, run a simple curl get against the base URL to verify auth and connectivity. Make sure responses return 200s and expected fields. If you see 401, recheck key formatting and header placement before moving to code integration. You'll now build the middle: robust calls, retries, and data handling. Start by implementing the correct auth flow, handle token refresh and storage. Then add pagination loops and honor rate limit headers, back off exponentially on 429s. Validate responses against expected schemas before persisting, and centralize error handling so you can surface actionable messages. Once implemented, run integration tests with mocked failures and high load to confirm the client behaves reliably under real-world conditions. Finish by deploying with observability and safety in place. Add logs for request ID, latencies, and error codes, and create alerts for spikes in 5xxs or quota exhaustion. Make sure you pin dependency versions and implement feature flags so you can roll back quickly. Once live, automate key rotation and least privilege scopes. If things go wrong, check request ID, correlate logs to the provider's dashboard, and validate that time skew or missing headers aren't causing authorization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.